So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy camera not capturing or saving the videos recording and store troubleshooting error. So guys, first of all check the power and the battery levels. So outdoor smart devices consume a lot of power. If the battery levels drops too low, the camera will stop recording to conserve energy. And guys, check the battery percentage in the Birdfy app. If your camera uses a solar panel, ensure it is clean and positioned to receive the direct sunlight. Bring the camera inside and charge it to the 100% and using the standard USB charger to rule out the power deficiency. Then guys, verify the detection setting. So guys, your camera may be powered on but not triggering because the software setting are too restrictive or turned off. So open your Birdfy app, go to the camera setting and ensure your motion detection is toggled on. Adjust the motion sensitivity to higher settings so it's detect the smaller movements. So check for any sleep mode or the schedule setting. If the camera is in the sleep mode or scheduled to be away, so it will not record. Okay, after that guys, check the storage and the SD card. So if the camera is capturing the event but they are not saving the storage medium, so may be corrupted or full. So cloud storage, Birdfy provide the free cloud storage for a video clip. So check if your subscription is active and ensure the clip have not simply expired. Okay, and if you are using a micro SD card, so remove it and insert it into the computer to ensure it is readable and not full. So you can format the SD card via the app setting, then go general SD card to clear up the space and fix the corrupted sectors. Then guys, you check the network and the connection issues. The camera requires a stable Wi-Fi connection to transmit and save the recorded videos, and ensure the camera is connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Also, move the router closer to the camera or install a Wi-Fi extender if the signal is weak. Last fix is guys, reboot and reset the camera. A system freeze can stop the camera for functioning correctly. A simple reboot can restable the connection. So you use the soft reset. For this, use the provided ejector SIM to press the reset boot button next to the power port. Then guys, hold the power button for the seconds depending on the models. For factory reset, if the reboot does not work, so press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to completely reset the camera. You will need to remove the camera from Birdfy app and re-add it as a new device. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.